Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Centurion Graphics. Today we are going to show you some of our requirements for your artwork. Drawing artwork for your printing plates can seem a bit daunting, but the aim of this tutorial is to show you how easy it is to make sure that your artwork is perfect to be made into a printing plate. So let's get straight into it. The program that we're going to be using for this is Adobe Illustrator, but you can use whatever graphic design program that you prefer. Our first requirement is that we need all the artwork to be covered in K100 black. To do this, first we need to make sure that our document color mode is set to CMYK color. Then we just need to select all our artwork and change it to K100 black. Also, if you have any text in your file, please could you convert this text to outlines. This is just in case that we don't have your font installed on our own computers. So we can do this by right clicking our text and pressing create outlines, and that should work. Next, if you have multiple plates that you would like to order, please could you separate these plates with a magenta line. So I'll draw a magenta line here next to the two plates, like so. And if you make this magenta line 0.5 point, that should be perfect. And then if you can separate these with about 7.5 mil between the line and the artwork, like so, 7.5 mil, then that will be perfectly separated artwork. If you need your plate to be a specific size, then we would need a magenta box around the artwork to showcase this. And please could this magenta box be 4mm wider and taller than the size that you need it to be. So let's say, for example, I need each of these plates to be 170mm by 40mm. I would draw the box and make it magenta, and then I'd make it 174mm by 44mm, and then I'd centralize that over the artwork to show how big I need the plate to be, like so. And then you can align these together with 0 gap to save on cost. Oh, like so, group them together, and there we go. So that's for if you're ordering a plate to be a specific size. Now, if you're ordering an embossing set or a wood mounted plate, then we need you to add a box around your artwork just like this, and to make it an extra 2 centimeters to the height and the width of each plate. So I would arrange the artwork like so. So I've got my artwork here, which is 165mm by 35mm. So I'd make my box 185mm by 55mm, like so. And that would be my artwork for an embossing set or a wood mounted plate. Now, one of the final steps in ordering your plate is one of the most important. Please make sure that when you're inputting your values into our price calculator online to order your plate, you need to include the magenta boxes. So if you're typing in your width, it would be 185mm and your height would be 55mm. It wouldn't just be the black artwork raised on the plate. It needs to be all the artwork, including the magenta box. And finally, when you're sending us the file, we would prefer it, if possible, to be sent as a PDF, and if not, then whatever you can send we will try our best to work with. And that completes all our artwork requirements. If you have any other questions, then please feel free to contact us. All our details are on our website, cgplates.co.uk. So please give us a visit and have a look at ordering your plates today. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you again for watching.